Hi, welcome to Aussie Nomads Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Beck, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country.
This week we arrived at the Toolangi Sports Grounds. We did the Kalatha Big Tree Walk and the Wirrawilla Rainforest Walk. We headed to Marysville for lunch and then walked to Stevensons Falls.
So I'm sitting in the car eating hot chicken wings while Ed does a light check. And that's pretty much it for Trentham. Today we are on our way to Toolangi and they have a little camping reserve and we're just hoping we can get us parking there. And now we're on the road to Whittlesea. Been a big day. We've done 2.5 hours driving today. So this is the road into the Toolangi Recreational Campgrounds. We actually parked up near the school and walked down. They suggest that you walk in, there's not much turning room in there. And that's the turnaround spot. So if you came in with your caravan, you can turn around there, but then we had to back through this gate. And this is the only area basically that you can camp. And there's rabbits all over the field. They're so cute. Oh, there's a black one. And that's us camped there. There's a shed, toilets. Got to take your rubbish with you. No water. Bit of a picnic table and a covered area. There is tank water out there, but it's not potable. That's the men's toilets. And then up here is the board where you can make a donation for staying. Doesn't actually say, it says on wikis you can stay 24 hours or 48 hours, but this says casual short term and it doesn't actually say 24 hours or 48 hours. There's a barbecue and then there's a cricket wicket, as well as that big oval with dozens of bunnies on it. There's a couple of fireplaces. You can have a fire if there is no fire ban. It's good little campgrounds. We are in the high country at Toolangi. And this is the Yay River. It's not a very big Yay River. We are at the Toolangi State Forest. How beautiful are these big ash trees. Could they have made these any steeper? Don't think so. But what we have here is a goat truck. So today we are off to do the Kalatha Giant Tree Walk and you're coming with us. Come on. $73 metres tall and a girth of 16 metres around it. It's a mountain ash. Off we go. Oh yeah, they said you can see wild birds sometimes too. Found himself a spiderweb killer. So mountain ash trees grow from tiny seeds to become one of the tallest plants on earth and are capable of reaching 100 metres. Unreal. In the 19th century, some were measured at more than 130 metres. She's big. It looks like it's dying. It's fairly solid. It doesn't look like it's 73 metres high. There's no koalas up there. Feels like we're back in Tassie. Look at all that moss. We have a hurdle. Now we have a boardwalk. This is a big tree. She is huge. So she is called the Kalatha Giant, or Kalatha. Pronunciation's not my strong point. I'd say she's hollow going by that big hole. Down the stairs, she's a loop circuit. It's only about 500 metres, so it's not very hard. Gets the body moving. Back to the car we go. Looks like mistletoe. Shall we keep it for Christmas? Maybe not. Don't think you're allowed to take stuff out of national parks and state forests. This is a humdinger as well. Not quite as big as the last one we just saw. But it's pretty substantial too, all the same. Still never waked. Be sitting in the car with the motor running, waiting for me to get there. He's a good man. He's left his spiderweb knocker for the next person. The next person that gets here, there's your spiderweb knocker. So we have arrived at the Wirrawilla Walk with our bus load of school children. The serenity's insane. So it's a well-formed boardwalk. Couldn't be too hard by the looks of it. Could this be any more beautiful? You'd be able to bring Nana in a wheelchair here. It's just lovely, and it's following this little babbling creek along.
This is a beautiful walk. It's all boardwalk. No steps, so easy walking. Wheelchair friendly and only about 500 metres long. It does a loop. There are toilets and a picnic area. I couldn't get any footage. The kids were using it.
And back to the car we go via the 60 for the loud children. They are having a ball, but I must admit. So today we're heading back down to Healesville and then up to Marysville for lunch, just to have a little look around because we haven't been there since the fires, and we'll give you a look when we get up there.
He likes to keep it clean. This is a super good car wash and it's in Hillsville. We spent a bit of time walking the streets, grabbed some groceries at the supermarket before heading to Marysville.
And just like that, now we are driving through the Yarra Ranges. There's a couple of toilets, fireplaces. It's really bushy. It's not very flat. Picnic table. Don't believe you get much solar in here. And the trees are really tall and they're beautiful. And then here's a set of horse stables. Old mate, the caravan's cooking lunch there. It smells delicious. And there's a water trough. Hitching rail. A few yards there. Be a good place to bring your ponies. Anyway, that is the Anderson Mill Campgrounds. So we just stopped into Marysville.
Where you going? Hey, where you going?
It's gonna eat your dinner. Here's your mate.
These birds are so pretty. These ones were especially quiet. We wandered around town for a bit.
Can't have my lunch. No, 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 no. Nope, not. Can try and get Ed's, but he won't let you have his either. Cheeky little thing. You're a cheeky little thing. Cheeky. Are you cheeky? Had a little bit of lunch over there on that picnic table. And now I think we're going for a walk to the waterfall.
Even lit up at night time.
That's insane. So now we're at Stevensons Falls up in Marysville, and it's supposed to be a 700-metre flat walk. Anyway, we'll see how that pans out for us. It's a little mini waterfall. How cute's that? Goes right back up the valley. So that's Stevensons Falls. He is gushing today. I love how we can still come to places like this and still have our own little piece of space. We've only really passed two other people. So, this is a hydroelectric turbine that they make the power to run the lights, because the lights are on till 11 o'clock at night, so you can see the waterfall at night time. How clever is that? Now all we've got to do is climb these stairs to get out of here. That'll be fun. This is it, Ed. Memorial Drive. Imagine this one, it's all yellow. How beautiful would that look? Nice weather he's brought me to. So you know, we're never happy to just go home. So we had two choices. We can go home or we can go to the Alpine Lake. So we're doing an offshoot of 44 Ks to have a look at the Alpine Lake. Cannot believe we're in the clouds. Can't see a thing out there. Welcome to the Yarra Ranges National Park. So I got it all wrong. We're actually going to Lake Mountain, not whatever I said before.
Mountain Lake.
I think we said Mountain Lake or Alpine Lake. But anyhow, it's Lake Mountain. There's a bike in a tree. Go figure. Lake Mountain Alpine Resort. It's lovely weather. Look at all the wattle. We are arriving at Lake Mountain. It looks very beautiful. There's nobody here. We are 1,352 metres above sea level. Out there so you can get a better view. Looks like that. Doesn't look like there's any accommodation or anything.
There will be.
You reckon? The steam coming off the car park across the... That's amazing. I don't know whether it's steam or it's cloud. It might be cloud.
Yeah, but the wind takes it.
Yeah, that's interesting. We are back in the clouds again. Heading back down the hill. Good look at it. Thick as pea soup. So because we have a motor mechanic on board, today we are on our way to the Yarraglen car and bike show. And we're going to take you with us. How do you know it's going to be a big event? We've got traffic police. This would be my favourite. How cool is that? He's having a lovely day.
Walk around and back, look at the back.
That's seriously beautiful. How cool is this old truck? It's got the rusty look going on. Now he's got me out the back on some goat track again. Lord knows where we will end up. So now we've downgraded. Now we got a dirt goat track. And he's still persisting on going this way. Well, things have deteriorated even more, and now we're running across the top of a ridge in the Kinglake National Park. Go figure. So we've come across the Black Saturday Memorial that claimed 173 lives. So we are at Wombelano Falls Circuit, and it's 1.5 kilometres return, and we're going to use it for our build up to dinner. Off we go. This poor bugger got burnt right through and it's ceased to exist. Never heard of them. We should Google what land yabbies are. So up until the other day we didn't know what these little holes were in the ground, and it seems in Victoria they have what they call land yabbies. Anyway, we googled it. It's really a thing. They look like our red claw, only smaller. There really isn't much, it's just hanging by a branch. It's like walking under a ladder. So she's 750 metres from the car park, and it is pretty much downhill the whole way with a uneven rocks, tree roots path. Few steps. Anyway, once you come down you got to go back, and that's where we're at now. So we just walked up 750 metres uphill, steep uphill, and now they've put a hurdle in. This is where the horses come unstuck when they do that. Run them 1100 metres and then make them jump a hurdle. Did it. Winning. Rich rainforest. But I'm going to go with overgrown track. There's another burnt out tree. But this one is still going. You need to get a workout on the way down, and your heart gets a workout on the way back. So we've covered all bases today. Uh-oh. What we have here is an Olympic jump. Oh, there's two. This will be fun. Get over that, Ed. Come on, big fella. You can do it. Take that, I'll be right with the rest. Over we go. And then, if we gallop up to the next one, we should just clear it easy. Give me my stick or I'll fall over it. So this is why I keep Ed. We send him on the path first, and he's classified as the spiderweb knocker. He's very good at it. Look, there she is, sitting there patiently waiting for us to come back. So we've made it down to the falls and back. It's not a falls that I would probably go to unless it rained the day before. They're a fair way from the boardwalk. They're pretty, but they're not a wow. There's no wow factor. So this morning we are off to the Kinglake Markets, and it is raining and foggy. Get a look how foggy it is. I'll show you. Not sure if it's even going to be on, but we're giving it our best shot. Can't see 2 foot in front of us.
The markets were okay. I think the rain kept a lot of people away. That's us for this week. Next week we're heading to Mansfield, to a little free camp. Stay happy, be kind, love your life, and we'll see you next Sunday at 6 a.m. Have a good week. See ya.